how to remove caption from video in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open the CapCut like this, import your video that you want to remove the caption from it. So for me, here is my video. So if you look at this video, as you can see now, there is caption inside this video. If I want to remove this caption, so I'll select the video. After you click on the video, then you go to captions at the top. After you go to captions, so here it says spoken language. So now select the language of the video. So this video is spoken in English. I'll select English. If the video is in Arabic, go and select the language of the video. So I'll select the English. After I select the English, so from this option, if you look at this, there is where it says delete current captions. So check on this delete current captions. After you check on this, so from there, now you go and click on this generate button. So sometimes it will take a time before it finish generating, as you can see like this one. So after you finish counting this, so from there it will give you new caption at the top, and from there the current caption will be removed. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.